I decided to ditch watching Scooby-Doo after work so I could combine Islanders with the visuals of Kingdom. First I set up my level using a tile map, hill sprites and a reflective water shader. Then I made some buildings and furniture that the player can click and place wherever they want in the level. My plan is that placing furniture will give points like in Islanders. I then added villagers who will spawn when you add a new building and they'll just wander around their rooms. I added a day and night cycle which just flows between two different skyboxes. It changes the lighting levels and it also shows stars. Next I added rain using Unity's particle systems, and I just followed this tutorial by Wizard Shrimp Games. And then lastly I just added some simple cloud sprites. Next I had to add the Islanders point system like I mentioned earlier. And I also tried to mimic the wee effect that happens when you generate points where they fly into the UI. So when you get enough points in this game, you'll be presented with this screen where you can choose a new pack containing furniture and buildings. And I loved stacking buildings on top of each other, so I decided to add this little pillar system that generates pillars so they don't look too outrageous when they're stacked on top of each other. The rooms were feeling a little bit too like prison, so I decided to add this window which uses Unity's sprite masking system. And amongst all of the development, I spent a lot of time in Aseprite where I created all the sprites for the user interface, the furniture, buildings and the characters. And one thing that I'm dreadful at is music. Luckily enough, there's a software called 1-Bit Dragon. Makes it very simple to make music, and that's what I used. And that's the game. I finished off by adding this little menu. And then when you get started, you pick your first pack, you get a building and 5 pieces of furniture, and then you just go about making a lovely little village, making sure your villagers are happy, leveling up your star rating, and opening more packs. I also added a little screenshot mode as well, so you can take wee pictures of your village and share it with everybody. And the game is free to play on itch. You can play it in your browser. I'd really love if you could check it out and leave any feedback. Let me see the village that you create as well. Thanks for watching, and I'm away back to watch Scooby-Doo.